Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Creeves. I'm making you this video because you're probably going, why does Mrs. Creeves keep telling me I am in the wrong place? That I haven't done stuff. I've done everything. I'm on the right place. I know what I'm doing. But you need to stop because math is different than your other classes that are being taken at IVS, or maybe other math classes that other students are taking at IVS. This Math 6 is its own little thing, and we have to be very careful. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you what I need you to look at. So you need to go to Content, and see, this person looks like they've completed everything, right? Because you're thinking if there's a check mark, it's done. But this particular course, it lies to you, because everything that's in our math topics is right here in the Begin Here lesson link. So you need to go back to that. Every single person needs to go back to that today, and you need to check your learning path. If you have information here, this information is not done. You haven't learned it. This is what you're supposed to be doing every day. You're supposed to be clicking on these and going through the lessons, and then when you're done with that lesson, you go on to the next one. So for example, hitting multiplying whole numbers. This person started to watch the warm-up, so the next thing that they're going to do is watch the presentation. When the presentation's done, a little continue button will pop up, but if for some reason you have to stop or something, you can go hit this little house, and it'll take you back to the order of things here. Now, the one cool thing that you get to do is you get to go to the topic text, and you get to just scroll down to the bottom. It's there, but we don't use it, and then you can hit the continue button. Now I'm going to go back to the home thing. So see how I went back to the home, and now the topic text has a check mark by it. So you should be watching the presentation. You should be doing the worked examples with a piece of paper sitting next to you to work out the examples too. I often say, if you think you know it, then try to beat Mr. Khan in what he's doing and do the examples there. Or I think that's in the presentation. I'm not quite sure which one. They kind of meld together to me. But then you do the practice problems by doing them on a sheet of paper if you need to. Some of them you may not need to write anything down, but you should have it ready with you, and then you complete the review. So the review, whatever you score on the review, that's the score I take when I do grades. So if you don't like your score that you get on the review, then you could retake it. There's a button that says retake. Okay, so I'm going to keep this short and let it go. I'm going to go back just to the beginning here. So when you get to this, when you get to your Begin Here lesson link, hit this, hit your learning path, and start working on these. If you have a check mark that's green, that's okay. Let it go. It's all done. If you have a bookmark or nothing, that means it's not done and you need to finish it. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.